Hello everyone, myself Harpreet. Today we are going to learn about chapter 5 of social studies, that is the Great Indian Desert. In this lesson we are going to learn about the geography of Thar Desert, vegetation of Thar Desert, occupation, culture, festival and tourist spots. Can you say what is desert? A desert is a flat area covered with sand. It has very little vegetation. It receives little or no rainfall. A desert is any large region that gets very little rain every year. Very few plants or animals live in desert areas. Now we shall see the geography of Thar Desert. Where do you think in India the desert is located? Yes, it is located in Rajasthan. The Rajasthan is located in the northwestern part of India. It is bordered by Haryana, Punjab and Gujarat. The desert region is covered by loose sand and low and high sand hills. These small hills are called sand dunes. The shape and position of these sand dunes keep on changing due to the high velocity winds that blow across this region. Dust storms are very common in May and June. These months are the hottest months in this region, where the temperature reaches up to 50 degrees Celsius. The days in this region is very hot, where the nights are pleasant. Now let's move on to vegetation in Rajasthan. The natural vegetation in this region are trees and shrubs, which require very less water to grow, like cactus, acacia and euphorbia. As you know, water is scarce in this region. So, when it rains, the water in the ground rises. At some places, the underground water reaches the surface of the earth to form a man-made lake called as oasis. Near the oasis, the plants grow very well. The extreme temperature and scanty rainfall leads to water scarcity in desert region, due to which it was dry. But in the year 1958, a huge canal was constructed at the junction of river Satluj and Beas to bring water to the dry land. The canal was called as Indira Gandhi Canal, which provided water for agriculture as well as to hundreds of people living in that area. The main crops grown in this region are wheat, pulses, jawar and cotton. This region is also a largest producer of wool in India. Now let us see occupation. Camels are essential part of desert region. They are commonly used for transportation and in agricultural purposes. They are called as ship of the desert. Rajasthan is also famous for its miniature painting, gemstones and Bandhani prints. Now let us see culture. People of Rajasthan wear bright colorful clothes. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban, while women wear ghagras and lehengas, choli with odhnis. The population mainly consists of Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs. The primary language spoken here is Hindi. Marwari is the dialect of Hindi language. Moving on to the festivals they celebrate, folk dance of Rajasthan is integral part of any festival. Gangaur, Bridge and Camel festivals are some of the unique festivals celebrated in India. Tourist spots. There are many tourist spots to be visited here, but the important places are Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, City Palace and Amber Fort in Jaipur, and the Umaid Bhawan Palace in Jodhpur are the attractive tourist spots to be visited. The Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is a home of thousands of rare and endangered species of birds like the Siberian crane.